Find free home repairs, including grants, that are available for low to moderate income families. There are also assistance programs for senior citizens, retirees as well as the disabled who have a limited income. Homeowners can apply for various free home repair programs or grants from the government, charities, community action agencies, or nonprofits near them. Rebuilding Together is a national charity that helps with home repair focusing on community revitalization. Corporate and community partners combine to refurbish dwellings and rebuild lives. The affiliate network of Rebuilding Together completes close to 10,000 renovation projects each year. They have nonprofit affiliates who serve people in need across the country. Look for a local outlet in your area. Habitat for Humanities is a nationwide charity that often assists with home repair. While their primary mission is to build affordable housing for low-income families, they often face gaps in suitable jobs for their army of servant tradespeople. Renovation work is often a more cost-effective way for Habitat for Humanity affiliates to help people in their local communities. Contact your local affiliate to express your need for restoration work. Catholic charities faithfully serve people in need through the collective effort of the church ministry. Their affordable housing programs provide emergency shelters and long-term assistance to vulnerable populations. The nonprofit organization has a network of offices throughout the country, and some occasionally support home repair efforts to keep people off the streets. Contact your local office for help. The U.S. Department of Energy provides free home repair grants for low-income families through its Weatherization Assistance Program. The USDA Section 504 program provides home repair grants for citizens living in designated rural areas. For more information, you can visit our website. Link in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.